Okay guys, ito yung trabaho namin dito guys. Yan, taga-asa yan guys. Ayan po yung labor ko guys. Ayan guys, kaway-kaway guys. Ayan po yung trabaho namin dito.
Ay, ano po yung set na lang.
Kakating guys at malaking diferensya. Precast guys to, precast. Gamit sa building. Ayan guys, marami yan guys. Puro precast. Ayan guys, oh.